I've been turning these pages in my heart again, trying to picture the years we'll share. Sometimes the questions rise like quiet waves, but your smile keeps me right there. We're not perfect, we don't need to be. It's the way you breathe next to me. Every ordinary day becomes a gentle scene. You're my simple harmony. And even if the world feels uncertain, I'll still pull the curtain wide. 'Cause I feel warm here with you. I can rest and be true. In this calm, steady light, I'm okay. Maybe this is what love is meant to be someday. When our hands intertwine, I hear quiet vows. Nothing forced and nothing loud. Living side by side, building every hour in the peace we've somehow found. And even if the trembling in my chest, I'll breathe deep and call it life. 'Cause I feel warm here with you, and I see something new. In this calm, steady glow, I can stay. Maybe this is how love becomes our way. We don't need a perfect script, we just need the courage to try. If we stumble in the dark a bit, your heartbeat tells me why. I feel warm here with you. This comfort feels true. In this gentle embrace, I'll remain. Maybe this is where happiness takes shape. Yes, I feel warm here with you. Nothing else that I choose. In this quiet, steady breath, we're okay. Maybe this is how love forever stays.
Streetlights flicker softly down the lane. I pass a corner cafe, you smile in my brain. Leaves are drifting slowly, caught in gentle streams, and I can't help but linger in these little scenes. A distant laugh, a dog chasing a ball, the hum of tires, the city's quiet call. Every little moment whispers something true, and in my heart I always find a trace of you. And I wonder if you see it too, these tiny worlds that feel brand new. On my way back home, I see your light shining through the windows in the night. Simple sights, but they feel so right. Every step reminds me of you tonight. The park bench waits, a couple sharing tea. A paper boat floats down like it's meant to be. Street musicians play a soft familiar tune, and in my chest my heart begins to swoon. shadow, every glow carry secrets that we